Hello and welcome back to raymondoleetravel. So we're here in the Vendee again. This will be part 2 of our walk around Saint-Gilles-Croix-de-Vie. So if you've not seen part 1, I'd recommend you go and check it out. We start by parking up near the crazy golf course, which is not far from the beach, around this area here. We then head down to the beach where these restaurants are, and today's video will actually end along that beachfront. We will be heading up into town in this part, but basically just imagine taking the reverse track. And this was the church in part 1 that we visited. And basically we will start part 2 here, in this area here, and we'll walk all the way around the harbour up to where the lifeboat station is and the museum. We'll then head into the centre of town, check out the beautiful church here, Église Saint-Croix, and then we'll be heading down the General de Gaulle, buy a nice ice cream down here. It's got lots of shops, and then basically we'll make our way back to the car. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it, everyone. Please remember, if you're new here, to subscribe to the channel. I hope you enjoy it, and remember to hit that like button.
Cool, nice boat, Lewis.
Thank you.
This, that. I wouldn't mind with a cruise on that boat. Yeah, so me and Lewis are going to go cruising on the yacht. Okay, so we'll see you later. Okay. Beautiful. So this is the boat crane, and it lifts 2,500 boats a year approximately. It's a lifeboat. I've got to sing it, stop. What's on some stuff?
Non, tout à l'heure c'était ça.
Remember where it was? Shell. Lewis. Remember where it was? The shop. Oh, yeah.
I don't know, it's down here. I think it's further down.
Remember what it was called?
I don't know, it's just called something base. Mom, I need to put it. Yeah, I know, where are they? On the right side. Where?
Does it mean this one? Hey? So a very kind French lady's just come over with some churros and given them to us for free. A bit random because we didn't know what she was saying, and she passed them over to us. So anyway, we're eating them. Can you touch it? Yeah, I said you could win bikes.
I found it, Lewis.
I can get the tag in there, maybe.
You reckon?
Yeah. Depends how big that tag is.
Stand next to it, Jazz.
So that draws us to a close on this upload. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the walkabout town. Please remember to smash that like button. Subscribe if you are new here. If you want to see more content from France and other places we go. And check out the playlist of the Vendee and France. So thank you. Goodbye.